You will love the features of this 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features, this spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated and/or cooled front seats, 4-cylinder engine, fog lamps, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, backup camera, keyless start, premium sound system, alarm, blind spot monitor. Rest assured, your Santa Fe has everything you need to make excursions convenient, comfortable, and confident. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.